Okay, we have a MARVEL-SPARTAN horizontal bandsaw, model Spartan PA13/2, serial number EPA130610. Machine was new in 2000. It has a 13 by 14 inch rectangular capacity, or 13-inch round, 1.25 inch blade. We're going to run it for you. Machine has variable blade speed from 80 to 400 feet per minute. Has automatic cycle. Right now we're running the head down through, simulating cutting through material. It has a rear shuttle vise with 20-inch stroke. Right now the head is going up. Vise is pulling back. Pulling the material forward. And cutting through. Okay, pulling the material through. Cutting through it again. Oh, it also has a chip auger for the removal of the excess chips. It's cutting through and going up again, pushing the material, and so on. It can do multi-cycle, obviously, which it's doing right now. And it can also do multiple strokes of the vise if you have a piece that's over 20-inch. He's bringing the head all the way up. Machine also does have coolant. Those are your wheels. Great. Did you see the vise in the back? Okay, hey, that's our video. Thanks for watching.